Welcome to English Easy Hub. Join us as we ignite the flames of your English learning journey together.
Please subscribe to watch and embark on your English learning journey. Don't miss out on the exciting content. Mastering table manners is essential for navigating social and formal dining situations with confidence and grace. Key aspects include placing your napkin on your lap, using utensils correctly, waiting for everyone to be served before eating, chewing with your mouth closed, and handling mishaps discreetly. Additionally, always express gratitude to the host and consider sending a thank you note afterwards. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a respectful and enjoyable dining experience for everyone involved.
Hi, Mary. Are you ready for the dinner party tonight?
Hi, Jack. Yes, I am. But I'm a bit nervous about my table manners. Can you help me?
Of course. Let's go over some basics. First, when you sit down, place your napkin on your lap.
Got it. And what about the utensils?
Use the utensils from the outside in. Start with the outermost fork and knife.
Okay. And what if I need to get someone's attention?
Just say, "Excuse me," politely. Don't wave or shout.
Thanks, Jack. This is very helpful. What if I drop my fork or knife?
Good question. If you drop something, don't pick it up. Just ask the waiter for a new one.
That's good to know. Is there anything special I should do with my phone?
Yes, it's best to keep your phone on silent and put it away. No texting at the table.
Understood. What about seating? Should I wait to be seated?
Yes, wait for the host to indicate where you should sit. And if there's a seating card, follow it.
Great tips, Jack. I feel more prepared now.
You'll do just fine, Mary. One more thing. If you're not sure which glass or bread plate is yours, remember, solids like bread go to the left, and liquids like your drink go to the right.
I'll remember that. Thanks for the help, Jack.
No problem, Mary. Let's enjoy the party. Mary, the table looks amazing. Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all, Jack. Please, sit down.
Thanks. Can you pass me the bread, please?
Sure. Here you go. Remember to take one piece at a time and butter it on your plate, not in midair.
All right. Thanks for the tip. And when should I start eating?
Wait until everyone is served and the host starts eating.
Understood. And what if I don't like a dish?
Just take a small portion and leave it on your plate. No need to comment on it.
Great advice, Mary. This helps a lot. How about chewing? Is there a proper way?
Yes, chew with your mouth closed and avoid talking with food in your mouth.
Got it. And if I need to leave the table during the meal?
Just say, "Excuse me," and leave your napkin on your chair.
And is it okay to taste someone else's dish?
Only if they offer, and use a clean utensil to avoid sharing germs.
Thanks, Mary. I'm learning so much. Is there a specific way to handle passing items at the table?
Yes, always pass food items to your right. And if you're passing a large dish, like a platter, be sure to hold it steady so it doesn't spill.
I see. And what if someone asks me a question while I'm chewing?
Finish chewing and swallow before answering. It's okay to take a moment.
These tips are invaluable, Mary. Thank you.
I'm glad to help, Jack. Let's enjoy our meal.
Mary, the dinner was wonderful, wasn't it?
Absolutely, Jack. I really enjoyed it. But what should I do with my napkin now?
Just place it loosely next to your plate. Don't fold it.
Got it. And should I push my chair back in?
Yes, that's a polite gesture. Also, remember to thank the host before leaving.
Of course. And if I need to leave the table during the meal?
Just say, "Excuse me," and leave your napkin on your chair.
Thanks for all the tips, Jack. I feel more confident about my table manners now.
You're welcome, Mary. Oh, and before we leave, should we help clean up?
It's polite to offer, but usually the host will take care of it. Just express your gratitude.
Good to know. And should we send a thank you note afterwards?
Yes, a thank you note or message is always appreciated. It shows good manners.
I will definitely do that. Thanks again for all your help, Mary.
Anytime, Jack. Also, if there was something particularly impressive or enjoyable about the meal or the evening, mention it in your thank you note.
That's a nice touch. I'll remember that. What if the host suggests an after-dinner activity?
Participate if you can. It shows you're engaged and enjoying yourself. If you need to leave, politely excuse yourself and thank the host again.
These tips have been so helpful. I feel ready for any dinner now.
I'm happy to hear that, Jack. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to keep the English learning journey alive.